Kristen with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the Library, we are not focusing on any one specific Pokemon, but we are going to make Pokemon keychains. So in your craft packet, you will have 2 pieces of shrinky-dink paper with holes already punched in them and random Pokemon designs on them. So all you need to do is color them with markers or colored pencils. Colored pencils actually work very well with this shrinky-dink project. So once we have our shrinky-dinks colored in, then we're just going to cut out a space a little bit around them, making sure to get that hole inside of your lines that you're cutting around, because we need that hole so we can put it on the keychain. And then once we have these colored in and cut out, we're going to put them in the oven, and you only need to bake them for about 2 or 3 minutes on 300 degrees. So preheat your oven to 300 degrees, and then you'll need a baking tray and a sheet of parchment paper or even cardboard to go underneath the shrinky-dinks. And then we'll place them on our tray on top of parchment paper or cardboard and put them in the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then when they come out, they will be small and they'll still have the tiny little holes. And then I'll show you how to put the keychain together. So your shrinky-dinks will start out about this size, and then they will shrink down to about this size. And you can see that the hole is still there, very small, but it is large enough for us to put on to these little jump rings. You're going to want some pliers. If you don't have any pliers that you can use, if you just come by the library and let us know, then we can get our pliers and help you put it together. But we're just going to put the little jump rings on through that hole so that it hangs on. And then we'll take our keychain piece and just loop that last chain link onto our jump ring. And then we'll grab our pliers and close it up. And then once it's closed up, we have a keychain. So again, just take your little open jump ring, put it through the little hole, take the last chain link on the keychain part, and then we're going to close up the jump ring. And then you have your keychain. So that is our Pokemon craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love to see your completed keychains if you would like to share them with me. And I will see you next week to make another Pokemon craft. Bye.